Another thing that we have to do when we are setting our goals is we have to reassess last year. So what worked in 2025? Make a list of your greatest achievements over the last 12 months. What did you find worked for you? What did you enjoy doing in your business? And what brought in clients or what brought in revenue? And then look at what did not work for you. So what did you pour energy into that you came up a little bit short? Now, this is where the good business owners get set apart from ones that are maybe not going to make it too far. What you want to do is the things that didn't work, you're not necessarily throwing that in the trash. I will tell you that my first digital product completely failed. I didn't make any money on it, but I got better and better with time and started really learning about my clientele, what exactly they needed, what they were using. I started surveying my clients if they had canceled or they had asked for a refund. I made sure I figured out exactly why, and I really tapped into how I can improve my products and improve my coaching. And that is highly what I would suggest for you as well. So when you're looking at programs you created or products you created that didn't do so well, figure out why. Again, don't just scratch it, but was it a marketing issue? Did you not get enough leads? Were you not able to convert those leads into your program? Was it that they got into the program, but then maybe they canceled or asked for a refund because they weren't getting the value and the transformation that they had expected? Where in your funnel did it break? What went wrong? And how can you make that product or program improved for the future? And there might be times where we have to scrap things. There might be times where we say, you know what? I tried this 3-4 times. I've launched this product 3-4 times. I've made tweaks and it's just not fueling me anymore. It's not what I want to be doing. I'm going to delete it. And that's okay. You absolutely can do that, but don't trash it the first time. We have to make sure that we are at least putting a good effort into it and trying to figure out where in the system things are going wrong before scrapping things, before giving up. Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.